girls. I'm Gabby and I'm Beyblade. We're going to do a battle. So, this is Pasol. This is Libra. So, we're going to battle. So, Libra first. Oh, sorry guys, I tried again. Looks like strong battle. Well, let's see who will win. Pasol looks like it's winning. Who's the winner? Rabida King. Salt is winning the round. Oh, Libra slowing down. Station slowing down. Is it over or not? So Pasol wins. Libra loses.
Now it's question time. Question time!
Why me? Okay.
What is the most powerful Beyblade?
The most powerful Beyblade is Pasol. The one I have in my toolbox is Diablo. I'll show you here. Diablo. So this is my toolbox. So I have two stadiums. One is the Beyblade Mega Fusion, and this is the Attack Type Base Stadium.
And what Beyblade do you have?
I have oh, sorry. This is my Screw Aizen, my Diablo, and the
Just three.
Okay, three. Okay, that's all I got.
And what's the most powerful three Beyblades?
The most powerful three Beyblades is this one and this one.
Ay, matutulog niyan, Harry.
And this is my best friend's
Ay, Harry.
Beyblade.
Sleeping.
Can
Alam,
you hear
ganun.
over now?
Ba't yung